close, I'll whisper in your ear. I mean it, you know. Everything you hear is gonna be electric. Go from static to kinetic, and you could be well on your way to magic. Baby, don't you wanna feel already? Late rush, I think we're kinda overplaying safe. No, you can't get it now. So don't you wanna keep in touch, touch, touch? Oh, oh, oh. Distance can be a little overrated. Come taste and see the way that we could make a perfect connection. Signal is strong that I mention. You could have all my attention, and you know that you love it.